Eye contact. So kapag nanonood ka ng video na to, pinapanood mo tong video na to, I want you to learn how to hold and maintain eye contact. Because this signals truth, assertiveness, and confidence. Again, this signals masculinity. Kapag malikot yung mata mo, it signals, hindi ka makapag-maintain. Kapag malikot ang mata mo at hindi ka makapag-maintain ng eye contact, it signals submissiveness, intimidation, or lack of confidence. It also signals dishonesty and unsafety. Okay? Meron ka bang kausap na hindi makatingin sa mata mo? Di ba parang very uneasy? Hindi mo feel na safe ka? Feeling mo nagsisinungaling to? Or tuwing kapag may titingnan ka tapos biglang tumingin palayo, di ba parang nai-intimidate siya, ganyan. Okay? Another thing kung bakit importante ang eye contact, because eye contact triggers sexual tension when it comes to women. It's very, very important. One of the easiest way to trigger sexual tension is to maintain and hold eye contact sa isang babae. Okay? Sobrang taas na magiging attraction sa'yo ng babae if you can maintain eye contact. Because your ability to hold eye contact signals strong emotional regulation. Okay? Na kaya mong mag-hold ng frame kahit merong tension. Kasi nga, di ba, pag